Hello everyone, welcome back, and in today's session we are going to learn types of sentences. As we all know that learning sentences or creating sentences is important when it comes to learning English, and today we are going to learn four important kind of sentences. But do you know what all we need to create a sentence? We need a subject जिसे हम कर्ता बोलते हैं, we need a verb जिसे हम क्रिया बोलते हैं, and an object, right? So we need these all elements to create a sentence. Now let us understand the kinds of sentence. So the very first sentence is declarative sentence. This is a simple sentence. We also call it assertive sentence. अब ये एक बिल्कुल सिंपल सेंटेंस है जिसमें ना कोई क्वेश्चन है, जिसमें ना कोई ऑर्डर है, इसमें बस हम एक इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं. So this is used for sharing the information. So let us take an example. Mary has a cat. So here we are informing that Mary is having a cat. So it's a simple sentence. Now let's talk about the next sentence, which is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means giving orders or making request to somebody. We can also use it for giving the advice. Let's take a few examples over here. Shut the door. So it's definitely an order. Now let's make a request. Could you please give me a glass of water? It's a request. Now let's take an advice. Advice is quite free over here. So let's give an advice. We should pay tax on time, right? So it's the kind of advice which we are giving, or you should do exercise every day. So these all are the imperative sentences. Now let us talk about an important kind of sentence, which is exclamatory sentence. So this is the basic sentence which we use when we have a kind of excitement or surprise to show to someone, like, wow, what a beautiful dress, or wow, what a great weather, what a beautiful weather today. So we show our surprise when we are excited or surprised because of something, right? And we have a special sign to use, exclamation sign, by which we recognize such kind of sentences. Now let's talk about the next sentence, the last but not the least, interrogative sentence. As we all know, we ask questions on daily basis. हम कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन किसी ना किसी से तो ज़रूर ही पूछते हैं, राइट? बट इन सेंटेंसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, राइट? एंड वी पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क by the end of the sentence when we are talking about the interrogative sentences. Now let us understand there are two kind of questions. एक क्वेश्चन क्या है जिसका हमें आंसर देना है, रिप्लाई देना है, कुछ भी आंसर हो सकता है, और एक क्वेश्चन होता है जिसका आंसर हम यस या नो में देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज योर नेम? My name is Aryan. So there is an answer to it, right? Now there is another kind of question. Do you like tea? Now answer either, it will be either yes or no. Yes or no. Yes, I like tea. No, I don't like tea. So in all the cases, the sentence remains interrogative only. So that is it for today. And in the next session, we will meet again to learn a few more examples and to do some more practice of such kind of sentences. That is it for today. Bye-bye. See you, and see you in the next video.